Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share some projects and drawings that I've been doing for Saturday Morning Makes. This is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and it's hashtag SatMornMakes if you want to see what other creators have been posting. So today I kind of did like a little upcycle recycle. These are actually toilet paper roll tubes that I covered with some fabric and then some eyelash trim. This is a dried orchid flower from a plant. And then these are just a couple of buttons that I glued on here. So I used hot glue and then this cut apart. So I have it here, and then I just put some washi tape on here. And what I'm going to use this for, I mean, you can pretty much use it for kind of like anything, but I figured as I do my color pencil drawings, rather than having them roll all over the desk or trying to find them, as I use them for a particular drawing that I'm doing, I'm just going to go ahead and use them to put them in here as a pencil holder, color pencil holder. Also, just wanted to share with you what I was showing I think it was last Saturday, a mandala Zentangle doodle drawing that I did, and I finished coloring it in with the brush markers. So I have these from Master's Touch, the Hobby Lobby brand, and I used the brush marker. So this has a thicker tip, and colored it in, and I really like the way it turned out. So I like that so much that I started trying to doodle some flower themes. So just kind of like drew in a couple of circles in pencil. You probably see that here better. And then so I just trying different flowers. So I'm up to this one here and going to do a different design for these two here. And this is just by placing those circles first, just to help me gauge, which flower is in front of the other, and doing it that way. So I really like the way, this is turning out, and again, just something different to do. So looking forward to see what everyone else is making. So again, this is my, just out of, tubes, cardboard tubes, and recycling and upcycling. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.